Tofu or tempeh, the best plant proteins to rebuild strength. After 60, you used to lift grocery bags without thinking. Now, even a short walk leaves your arms and legs shaky. It's not laziness. It's not your fault. It's your body quietly losing strength and asking for help. But what if the answer wasn't in pills or protein shakes? What if two simple plant-based foods, used for centuries, held the key to rebuilding muscle naturally, even after 60? In this video, we're comparing tofu versus tempeh, breaking down the science and helping you choose the best one for your journey toward lasting strength. Have you tried tofu or tempeh before? Let us know in the comments. We love learning from you. After 60, your body changes, your digestion slows, your protein needs rise, and your muscle fibers respond differently. That's why choosing the right kind of protein matters more than ever. So let's dive deep into these two humble soy-based heroes, tofu and tempeh. Which one builds strength better? Which is easier to digest? And how should you use them? Let's explore. After the age of 60, the way your body handles food changes more than most people realize. Even when you eat enough, your muscles might not be listening. This is due to a process called anabolic resistance, where your body becomes less efficient at turning protein into muscle. It's not your fault, and it doesn't mean you've failed. It just means your body now needs a different kind of support. Plant proteins like tofu and tempeh offer a unique advantage. They're easier on the kidneys, contain no cholesterol, and are often packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that help your body recover instead of struggle. These proteins come with fiber, antioxidants, and natural nutrients that support both digestion and muscle repair. More importantly, plant-based proteins can be used daily, in gentle amounts, to signal to your muscles, you still matter, let's rebuild. Unlike heavy meats, they don't burden the system or cause digestive fatigue. Instead, they offer slow, steady support, perfect for a body that's healing, adjusting, or simply aging with grace. This isn't about going fully plant-based. It's about finding what works now and listening to what your body asks for at this stage of life. Tofu, often called bean curd, is made by curdling fresh soy milk, similar to how cheese is made, and pressing it into soft blocks. For many, it might seem plain at first glance. But beneath that quiet appearance lies a powerhouse of gentle nutrition. Tofu contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, something rare among plant foods. It's also rich in calcium, especially when made with calcium sulfate, which supports aging bones, and isoflavones, plant compounds that may protect against bone thinning and hormonal shifts during later years. But what makes tofu especially valuable for seniors isn't just what's in it, it's how it feels in the body. Its soft texture is easy to chew and swallow, making it ideal for those with dental issues or reduced appetite. It digests smoothly and rarely causes stomach discomfort, unlike heavier proteins. For those who are healing from illness, feeling weak, or just getting back into cooking for themselves, tofu is a kind and supportive place to start. It doesn't overwhelm the system. Instead, it quietly restores, bite by bite, bowl by bowl, helping rebuild strength from the inside out. This is nutrition that meets you where you are. Tempeh is a traditional food that originated in Indonesia centuries ago, made by fermenting whole soybeans and pressing them into a firm, compact block. It's heartier than tofu, nutty in flavor, with a chewy texture that holds up beautifully in stir-fries, sandwiches, or even grilled on its own. But tempeh's real power lies in its fermentation. Unlike tofu, which is made from soy milk, tempeh uses the whole soybean, keeping its fiber and nutrient content intact. During fermentation, beneficial bacteria break down complex compounds, making the nutrients inside more bioavailable. That means your body doesn't just eat tempeh, it uses it better. A 100-gram serving of tempeh can provide up to 19 grams of protein, double that of tofu, along with B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and gut-friendly probiotics. These probiotics quietly support digestion, reduce inflammation, and improve how your body absorbs protein, calcium, and other vital nutrients. For seniors, that's a game changer, because when digestion works better, so does recovery. And when your gut feels good, your whole body feels stronger. Tempeh may seem unfamiliar to some, but it's a deeply rooted tradition, one that has kept elders in Southeast Asia active, mobile, and independent well into their later years. Let's pause for a moment and compare these two gentle powerhouses, because while both tofu and tempeh come from soy, they serve slightly different roles in the body. Tofu, made from soy milk, is soft, mild, and easy to digest. It provides around 9 grams of protein per 100 grams and contains very little fiber. That makes it ideal for those recovering from illness, struggling with appetite, or dealing with sensitive digestion. It goes down easy and gives the body strength without strain. Tempeh, on the other hand, is denser and heartier. Made from whole soybeans, it brings nearly 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, more than double that of tofu. It also offers around 5 grams of fiber and comes with natural probiotics thanks to fermentation. That means not only more nutrition, but better absorption. If you're feeling very weak or just starting to rebuild after illness or fatigue, tofu may be the better first step. But if your digestion feels strong and you're ready for deeper muscle rebuilding, tempeh is a powerful ally. The real wisdom: you don't have to choose one. Many older adults benefit most by rotating both, depending on how their body feels that day. When it comes to muscle strength after 60, it's not just what you eat, it's when you eat it. Research shows that older adults benefit most when protein is spread evenly across the day, especially during breakfast and lunch, when muscles are most responsive. Unfortunately, many people skip protein in the morning and overload it at dinner, missing the window when their body needs it most. Start your day with something warm and nourishing, like a tofu scramble with turmeric, spinach, and a little olive oil. It's gentle, satisfying, and gives your muscles the fuel they need to wake up strong. By lunch, your body is still in a prime rebuilding phase. That's a great time for marinated tempeh, sliced thin, pan-seared until golden, and served alongside sautéed greens or quinoa, pairing either tofu or tempeh with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or tomatoes helps your body absorb plant-based iron more effectively, something especially important as iron stores can dip with age. And remember, less is more when it comes to processing. Avoid deep-fried versions or overly salty sauces. Choose clean, organic, minimally seasoned preparations that support your body rather than overwhelm it. Eating for strength doesn't need to be strict. It just needs to be thoughtful and timed with care. At 68, Janet had quietly accepted that slowing down was just part of aging. She loved her morning walks, but lately, even circling the block left her winded and sore. Climbing stairs, that took real effort. She didn't feel sick, just smaller somehow. A little weaker each week. When she finally mentioned it to her doctor, he didn't just blame age. He told her she was losing muscle at a concerning rate. The thought scared her. She wasn't ready to give up gardening or picking up her grandkids. But there was a problem. Janet had never done well with red meat. It left her bloated, tired, uncomfortable. So she looked elsewhere. A friend suggested tofu. Then she discovered tempeh. Janet began simply scrambled tofu with kale at breakfast, sliced tempeh over roasted vegetables at lunch. No strict diet, no major overhaul, just small, steady swaps. 8 weeks later, she'd gained back 2 pounds of lean muscle. More importantly, she felt grounded again, strong enough to restart her beginner yoga class, and confident enough to walk a little farther each day. Her biggest takeaway? You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin and keep showing up. Even gentle food can build powerful strength, one meal at a time. When it comes to staying strong after 60, the EU's secret isn't found in doing more. It's found in doing just enough consistently. That's where the 2+1 rule comes in. It's simple, flexible, and surprisingly powerful. Start with 2 servings of plant-based protein each day. That might look like tofu at breakfast and a lentil or tempeh dish at lunch or dinner. You don't need to count every gram. Just focus on including real whole protein-rich foods regularly. Then add 1 light resistance move to your day. It could be bodyweight squats while brushing your teeth, slow heel raises at the kitchen counter, or chair push-ups during a TV commercial. These tiny movements send a powerful signal to your body. We're still using this muscle. Don't Let it go. This isn't about building bulk, it's about building trust in your balance, your body, your ability to move through life with confidence, and most of all, it's about rhythm. Because it's not what you do once in a while that changes your body. It's what you do gently, steadily every day. That's how strength is rebuilt, not through force but through kindness and habit. Getting older doesn't mean giving up your strength. It means learning to support your body differently, with gentler choices, more nourishing foods and habits rooted in self-care. Tofu and tempeh aren't exotic fads. They're humble, healing foods, full of life, culture and strength. They give your muscles what they quietly crave: steady fuel, gentle support, and time to rebuild. You're not too late. Your body still listens, and it's never too late to eat and live with intention. Even if you're starting from weakness, what matters is that you start. Have you tried tofu or tempeh before? Share your favorite way to eat them below. It might inspire someone else who's just starting their journey. And if this video helped, consider subscribing for weekly tips designed just for you. We're here to support your strength, your choices, and your future.